Hi friends, welcome back again. So in this new session, we will cover what is JUnit and TestNG, okay, and what is the basic difference between JUnit and TestNG, and have why in the automation in the Selenium we go for the TestNG only, okay. So in the on the previous video, guys, we already covered that what is TestNG, okay, what are the basic annotations are there, okay, what are the use of TestNG as a framework in Selenium, okay. So when Maven structure what are the basic files are there for TestNG, okay. So today we just go through that basic difference, okay. Today we'll go for the difference between TestNG and JUnit. So first we go for the JUnit, okay. So what is JUnit? JUnit, okay. So JUnit also a framework, okay, a framework, okay, basically used by developer, okay. So this particular framework is used by developers, okay, because there are some is in JUnit also the same annotations are there, okay, but this particular framework is basically used for development team only, not for the testers, okay. And other thing is that this is number one, okay, just putting the number here, okay, number one, and number two will be there are some limitations, okay. I will explain what are the limitations in the further video, okay. Limitations for testing, okay, for testing using JUnit, okay. So that means we have some advanced feature in TestNG as compared to JUnit, okay. We have lots of advanced feature that is used for that is make this TestNG, okay, most usable as compared to JUnit, okay. There. So now we'll go for the TestNG, okay. What is TestNG? Why it's most popular as compared to JUnit for the in the testing framework, okay. So in TestNG, guys, we know that several there are several annotations, okay. Annotations are present, okay, to easier easier grabs, okay, grabs than in JUnit, okay. So we know that in the last video we covered that there are several annotations like either test annotations, before annotation, after annotations, okay. But in our TestNG we have some additional annotations, okay, like either data provider annotations, okay. So there are some additional annotations are there that's make easy to write on the proper framework in our in using TestNG, okay. So there are advanced level annotations are there in TestNG, okay. Then here another means important advantage that TestNG provides us a it proper report, okay, proper report, because the reporting is very important things, guys, okay. Whenever run our test cases, we should have to report, okay. We should have a proper report that is easily understand by the user, by the client, by the end user, that how many test cases are there, okay, how many test cases are fast, how many are fail, or is there any skip test cases are there, okay. So there are a proper HTML report, it's called extend report, okay, which is generated by the TestNG only, okay. So there are one annotation called address listeners, okay. So in the TestNG listeners only we have the several methods are there, okay. I will definitely prepare a video, but how we are generating the report, okay. There is a one interface is there, iTest listener. Okay, one interface is there. So there are some inbuilt methods are there for TestNG. Okay, for your reporting only. Okay, in start. Okay, in failure. Okay, in stop. Okay, so there are different methods are there, so that we can easily customize our report. Okay, using TestNG listeners only. Okay, so the second point will be it generate HTML. Okay, HTML slash, okay, extend reports. Okay, extend reports for use in implementation. Okay, use in implementation. Okay, so that's this particular this particular report is easily understood by the end user, that it's have a pie chart, okay, a bar chart, that how many test cases are failed, how many are passed. Okay, complete information we can get by see on the report. Okay, so it's provide a proper report. Okay, then also the third point is it's provide a proper log. Okay, the log is also important factor, guys. Whenever we running our test cases, we can know by see the log only, we have a huge idea. Okay, the proper timing with the time, with the timestamp will be there. Okay, which what are the basics, what are the basics failure are there, all things will mention in the log only. Okay, so it's also, it also produce what, logs. Okay, produce, okay, produces logs. Okay, so yeah, so the next point will be it have the, it have only not only annotations. Okay, but also one XML file, right? One TestNG XML file, TestNG XML file. Okay, so in this TestNG XML file, guys, we can easily, what, we can easily structure our all test cases. Okay, there are lots of terms are there, lots of keywords are there. Okay, that you can easily group the test cases. Suppose we have 100 of test cases. Okay, and from 100 test cases we need to divide some test cases as, mark some test cases as smoke test case, some as sand test case, and some are regression test cases. Okay, so we can easily group the test case, guys, using the TestNG XML file only. Okay, so this is the most important thing that we can get only in TestNG. Okay, so apart from that, we have some assertions. Okay, assertion, guys. Okay, assertion means, suppose if you are you definitely have some knowledge in the manual testing, guys. Okay, if not, I will definitely make for some video for manual testing, what are the process of functional testing. Okay, so in the manual testing, what we have to just verify the expected result and actual result. Okay, so in TestNG, guys, it's giving a feature like annotations, sorry, assertions. Okay, where we can just verify our expected result and actual result. Okay, so there are several exceptions are there. That's called soft assertion. Okay, soft assertion. I will also just make a video, guys, for how we can use this particular assertion. Okay, and hard assertion. Okay, that's a verification point, guys. Okay, hard assertions. Okay, so this features also we can only got in the TestNG, not in JUnit. Okay, so the next point will be it's easily integrate. Okay, integrate with Maven. Okay, with Maven. As you know, guys, Maven is a what, it project management tool, guys. Okay, where we can structure our all these test cases. Okay, so using Maven only we can just integrate, because in Maven we have the pom.xml file, right? So in the pom.xml file we have some plugins. Okay, so in this particular, I just 6 point only, I just mentioned some points, guys. Okay, going to mention some points here. So there are some plugins, right? Plugins. Okay, plugins in pom.xml. Okay, so in pom.xml, okay, we have some plugins. There are three types of plugins, guys. It's resource plugin. Okay, resource plugin. Okay, then compiler plugin. Okay, and surefire plugin. Okay, so in surefire plugin, guys, we have to provide our what path of the TestNG.xml file. Okay, so after we integrate, provide the path of TestNG.xml file, we can easily run that particular suite using Maven. Okay, using Maven only we can, after provide, when Maven got that path, that where the TestNG XML situated. Okay, after that you can directly just sync on their particular XML file and run it. Okay, and provide you the result. Okay, so using that particular our command prompt also, we have some, there are some commands from Maven. Okay, Maven clean install. Okay, Maven clean. Okay, so I will definitely have that particular video, that how we can run using Maven suite. Okay, so this feature we can got only for in the TestNG only. Okay, so that's why, guys, we will definitely as compared to JUnit. Okay, so TestNG is that most usable like plugin, or sorry, usable framework. Okay, for testing only. Okay, so apart from that, we have also, like, we have also some, like parallel execution. Okay, so the parallel execution is also possible using testing all. Okay, so parallel execution. Okay, that means multi-browser. Okay, multi-browser, that means if we have some test cases, that is we have to test test in the Chrome. Okay, then in on Safari. Okay, and in Mozilla. Okay, at a time. So this particular this particular framework only we have to possible that we can execute all the test cases in multiple browser. Okay, guys. so that's why it's just having better like possibilities and criteria for testing. Okay, guys, so just you can just go through the, guys. Okay, I will definitely create a one more video for practically that how we are using all this particular features, like that particular grouping concept. Okay, in the testing XML file, how we are writing our test cases. Okay, how it's linked to that particular Maven, I will definitely explain it. Okay, so till then, guys, just go for my previous videos. Okay, that you have the brief idea how it's how all these particular Selenium like features looks like. Okay, and how it's working. Then we'll see in the next video, guys. Okay, so on this particular tutorial, guys, and is using the same this particular video also, you have the lots of interview questions, guys. Okay, that is most askable. Okay, so just go through it. Okay, okay, see in the last video, guys. Okay, thank you so much.